Hello, my dear students. Today I'm going to show you another pictorial view into orthographic views. So you can clearly see the image or picture that is given, and we have to convert that given picture into orthographic views. That means we have to draw its front view, top view, and side view. So in the given image, I have mentioned one arrow mark. In that one, I will take that one as a front view because in this image they have not mentioned which side we have to take front view, but more details are appeared from this side. So I am selecting this side as a front view, and obviously from the top, that is top view, and this side I will take right side view. Right side view will appear in the left side. So just you observe carefully. So this red line indicates how it looks in the front view. As I have taken this one as a front view, a rectangle shape you will see at the starting, and even this cylinder at the top also looks like a rectangle in the front view. Also, there is a two holes. It is through holes. That means the material is removed from that one. In front view, you have to show a dotted lines for that through holes. And also here there is a two diameters per cylinder. That means it's a hollow cylinder of outer dia 60 and inner dia 40. For that one also we have to draw dotted lines in the front view. Similarly, the green line indicate how it looks in the top view. So in the top view again it looks like a rectangle with two circles at its corner, as well as a cylinder circles also visible. So when we take this right side view, it's a rectangle at the slab at the bottom we can see, and also from side also the cylinder shape will be visible similar to the front that I have marked as to identify that one. I have taken blue color for the side view. Okay, just clearly look at this one. Let's start drawing this one using Solid Edge version 18 software. I'm taking drawing mode here. So first thing in drawing mode, we have to go for sheet setup. So preferably you take A4 size sheet, then remove this background, click on OK, press fit to screen. This is a fit to screen icon. You have to fit the sheet to the screen. So as I told, in the given diagram, you can take either side. I have taken this one as a front view, this one as a right view, and this one obviously from the top view. So since I am taking right view, the image will come at the left side. So I will start drawing this side by leaving the space at the left. Okay. So I will start drawing this side image. So when we look at the diagram, this is a rectangle of 140 and height 20, 140 and height 20. If this one, this image will show you a clear colorful representation. So 120 by 40, I will take a line from this one, the dimension of 140. Just look at the dimension carefully as it is 140. From this side, I will draw dimension 140 and slab height is 20. So I will complete one rectangle first. So this is the rectangle 140 by 20. And in front view, we can see a one surface, curved surface of the cylinder, just like a rectangle. Just look at the positions in this one diagram. So cylinder is exactly in the middle. So we have to draw the cylinder in the middle. For that one, we have to take middle line of the 140. So I will take again line tool. From middle, I will mark since the outermost cylinder is of diameter 60. Diameter 60. Just carefully observe. Diameter 60, that means one side 30. Inner also diameter 40. For that, I have to take one side 30. Then I will click on the line. From that tip of the 30 line, I will take total dimension 60. So just look at the height of this one. Height of the cylinder is 60. So take height of the cylinder. I have taken height is 60. That is exactly correct. So in front of you now this is the total outer side diameter. That is again total 60. Join this to this line. So again, as I told, so inner circle is there, inner circle of diameter 40. That means from the center point, you have to take one side. See, here it is showing tip of this line. That is also correct. Center point. One side you take 20 because total diameter is 40. One side you take 20. Then it will touch here. This side you take 40. Again you come to the starting line. So this is nothing but the front view, but as I told, it is invisible. We have to make that two lines as dotted lines. So along with this one, in front view we can see two more through holes that I have marked with the red dotted lines. That also you have to mark. For that you observe the gap from this tip. There is a gap of 15, and this side is also 15. So here also they have mentioned 15. For that one, I have to draw the line like this, a line. So we need only this side now because we are in the front view. A line 15 mm away from that. So carefully observe. So I will zoom this area. So I have taken a line that is 15 mm away from this tip. But when you look at this one, this circle is of diameter 20. Diameter 20, carefully observe. So from the 15 mm line, so at the tip of the 15 mm line, where I have to come back or go forward, no problem. I will come back of length 10 because total diameter is 20. So I have to come down now. So again, from the tip of the 15 mm line, carefully use select tool to identify the line. Just look at this one. This is 15 mm line. So again, I will take line tool. So this is the end of the 15 mm line. This side, I have to go 10. So I will draw the line again. Just carefully draw the straight line at the end of the 10 line, then join this one. So since it is invisible, I will select both the line using control key, then I will make it dotted line. For our confirmation, we have to see the distance between these two lines should be 20 because circle of diameter will be 20. Just go through the image carefully. Circle of diameter 20. That's why, and it is at a gap of 15. From the 15 gap, either side we have taken 10. So this is the diagram here. Then similarly, you go to fit this side, you have to draw this one. If this is correct, you can redraw this here, similar to that one, or you can use mirror tool. To use the mirror tool, I will use one center line, that mirror, then select these two lines. We need only these two lines this side. So select this two line, go to mirror option. Already I have drawn center line. For the use of mirror tool only, just look at this one. The mirror image is appearing in pink color. Click again. So this image is mirrored to this side by taking the center line as the reference. Delete the center line. So now we have got front view of the image. Then if we have to project that top view, for that we need projection lines. Take line tool and change the thickness to 0.13. From the each and every tip of the line, carefully you project the line. So because in top view, we can see a rectangular slab with number of circles. So we have to project the lines carefully. After projecting the line, we have to look at the given image once. Then we have to draw the front view. So the image is like this. In the top view, we can see a slab of 140, 140 by 80, then two circles at its corner, and at the center exactly again two circles of diameter 60 and diameter 40. So for that one, I will take line tool and change the thickness of the line to the zero point 0.5. So this is exactly 140, and this side, as per the given sketch, the dimension is 80. You draw 80 line, this length is 140, and close this one. Since my projection lines are little bit short, I can extend the line again, or you can use extend to next tool. I will zoom this area. I have zoomed. Then inside the trim tool option only, we can see extend to next. You click on each projection line, it will extend to next. So I will fit it again. So projection line is complete. Then as we have seen, at one corner there is a circle. Carefully observe. So one circle is at this corner, and it is another circle in the opposite corner. So when we look at this one from the front top view, we have to draw the circle this side. Correct? Carefully observe. Circle is here. So in this is 140, 80. In this corner, we have to draw here again, opposite side. This side we have to draw one circle, and this side. Carefully observe this one. I will only zoom the top view. Then, so circle is at a distance of how much from this distance? Either side circle distance is 15. So take 15 line, and this side is also 15. Either side 15. By taking this 15 like as a center, you take circle by center point, take this tip of the line as center, and touch the circle to the projection lines, or simply you can enter the diameter 20. It will be exactly touch that point. Then remove this 15 lines. So similarly, in the opposite corner, from this tip you take a length of 15. So since it is 15 away, so here also 15 you take straight line. You can simply join or take circle tool from the tip of that one. You just touch to the projection lines from the front view or enter the diameter 20. So it is exactly that circle. Press on right click to deselect that one and select this 15 lines, then delete that lines. So this is the one part. So I will fit it again. So as per the given image, this circle is this side and this circle is completed. And exactly in the middle, we have to draw two more circles. So of diameter 60 and 40. So how to draw its middle? It is very simple. We can take line tool again. Just place here. It will show the alignment of the middle. This side also you show middle. Then just move the mouse. Then you can see the middle point. This is the middle. So from the middle, we have to take circle by center point, middle point, and this side is also middle. So circle by center point. Simply you can touch the projection line. When we observe, see innermost projection line is diameter 40. You can just click again from that center. Outermost projection lines are diameter 60. Click it again. So this will be the top view of the given image. So then, as I told, you can either take right side view or left side view. I have taken the image right side view. It will appear on the left side of this one. So after drawing vertical line at the intersection, you draw 45-degree line, 45 45-degree line you draw, then carefully extend the projection lines. If you want, you can just change the thickness of this one also. Then again take line tool, change the thickness to 0.13. So from the tip of the line, you touch to the 45-degree line and take the projection lines. So first I will draw outermost projection lines. So when it touches, you take the line. See here, from each and every circle, you have to take the projection line. So starting, I will take the projection line from this side and extend. So projection line from this circle and extend. To avoid the confusion, I will draw this one step by step. So here, since so many dotted lines will come, so from the top view also, just you extend the projection lines. So from here also, you extend the projection lines. So as I told, so I am drawing this one from the side view. I have taken right side view. So I can see this rectangle first, rectangle of size 80 by 20 and height of 60 outermost circle. So cylinder height is 60 outermost cylinder. So then I will take this line. So here I will cover this block with total dimension from this point to this cross is exactly 80. You can enter also 80. Then this is nothing but height is 20. Then close this one and close this one. Actually, I forgot to change the thickness. You go to select tool, select all four lines by press holding control key, then change the thickness to the 0.5. So line tool, before drawing a main views or answer, you have to change the thickness to 0.5. So then from this one, this is outermost line. So outermost line, show from the intersection point. So this is outermost side view. So one by one, I will project the line. So I will draw inner circle now. So I am taking projection lines and extending the projection line. So projection line and extending the projection line. Since this inner lines are dotted, just you redraw the line. So to make it dotted easily, just trim the line first, trim the line, then you just draw the line of line thickness. You can use 0.5. So then here only you can select dotted line. So from here to here and from this tip to this tip you can draw dotted line. So then these two circles are hollow circles. Again, you will see dotted lines here. For that, you carefully extend the lines only up to the bottom portion. Select line tool, change the thickness to 13. Now I'm extending this line up to the 45-degree line and I will take to the top. So extend this line. So line was in dotted mode. So I will change the line to the normal line. So take line tool, make that to normal line and thickness is 0.13. See, it is overlapping this circle. Don't worry. So step by step you solve. So trim this line which are from this circle now and again take line tool and in line tool select dotted lines. You can change the thickness to 0.5. And from this tip of the line to this tip you draw. Carefully you draw the line from this bottom tip to the top. Trim this line take line tool, change the thickness to 0.5 and make it dotted line. From this trimmed portion, you just redraw. Dotted line appear. Again go to line tool, make it normal line, change the line to 0.13 because I have to extend the projection line from the one more circle which is visible from the top view. If you take at a time all projection lines, there is a chances of confusion. That's why I'm taking separately. So trim this line, again take line tool, make it dotted line and thickness 0.5 from the bottom tip to top you take. So again here also from this tip to top you take. So go to fit, then trim the lines which is not required to you. This is not required. Some projection lines are not required simply. So you just change that, remove that projection lines. Clear? So here there is no extra lines. So you can remove this also if you wish. So this is the complete views, front view, top view and side view. You give the nomenclature or names. So this is front view. So this one side anywhere you mark it as top view. So this is nothing but side view. As I told, you have to show some dimensions to clarify the given orthographic views are according to the dimensions given in the pictorial view. You can take smart dimension tool or distance between tool. I will take smart dimension tool and I will show some basic dimension. This should be 40 and this height should be 60. So I will take distance between tool to show the distance between these two is 60. Then similarly, here I can take the distance between these 2 points. This is 80, that is correct. And you can show the dimension of the circle here. Smart dimension, circle of diameter, circle of diameter 20, dia 20. This is shown. No problem. Inside we also you show some related dimension total that is 60. So this completes the given picture weave into orthographic projection. If you feel this sheet is filled, just after the diagram also, you can change the sheet setup. If you are willing, you can take A3 sheet or A2 sheet, remove background and click OK. Then you have to press the fit. So after fitting, it will go one side. Again, as I told, you can select the entire thing using select tool. Then simply you can select move tool, place a name, you can move that to the middle of the sheet. So we'll zoom it again for the clear view. So this is the views that are converted from the picture to orthographic views. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is useful for you.